graph the solution set to 3x plus 2 is greater than 8, or 4x minus 2 is less than or equal to 18, and express it in interval notation. Again, we have an or inequality, but before we graph either of the individual inequalities, we have to solve them for x, because neither of these are in their solved forms. So for the first one, we can subtract 2 on both sides. That gives us 3x is greater than 6. Then to get the x alone, we can divide both sides by 3. When we do that, that gives us x is greater than 2. Now for the other inequality, we start by adding 2 to both sides. When we do that, that gives us 4x is less than or equal to 20. And to get x alone, we divide by 4, which gives us x is less than or equal to 5. So here we have x is greater than 2, or x is less than or equal to 5. And now that we've solved each of them, we're able to graph. So I'm going to make my number line, and we're going to graph each of the individual ones by themselves first. For x is greater than 2, we're going to have an open circle at the 2, and we're going to shade to the right. For x is less than or equal to 5, that's going to be a closed circle on the 5, and we shade to the left. And because this is an or inequality, we're looking for the points on the number line that are underneath at least one of these intervals. So we're not looking for the overlap, we're looking to see what numbers fall under at least one of them. And if you look at the number line, in this case, every number on the number line falls under at least one of these intervals. These intervals cover up the whole number line between them, so that means that every number on the number line is going to be a solution, and so we shade in the whole number line. When we write this in interval notation, this is going to be parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, infinity, parenthesis, because we go all the way towards negative infinity to the left, and we go towards positive infinity to the right. So we've got parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity, parenthesis, and that is our answer in interval notation. This is a good time to bring up one more symbol. We saw in the last problem a symbol that we could use when there was no solution, that meant empty set. And in a situation like this, where all real numbers are solutions, we can actually express that with a symbol that's a capital R with an extra vertical bar. That symbol means all real numbers. For the last problem, we really needed that empty set symbol because we had no other way of expressing the solution. Here, we don't have to rely on this because we can actually draw a graph and we can write it in interval notation. So here, that symbol is just an extra thing that I can teach you now. You can use it if you want, or you can use interval notation, parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, infinity, parenthesis.